Racing just is started. We have King Aljun running by the release chance and the being square moving up now on the outside. Melody Magic throwing up La Dulce Vita comes next. Landed Biza. Then comes Keep Your Distance moving up now on the outside. Matayoga Hardway winning habit secondless while Leofardo is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Melody Magic by our length and a half. La Dulce Vita in second. Being Square is racing in third. And on the outside is through and up. Then comes Chan Zamdior. Big Daddy's Dream running by the rail is Hardway. In the middle portion King Aljun. Then comes Landed Biza. Matayog and on the outside Keep Your Distance. Leofardo while winning habit. Now racing in less inside the Tres Octavo. We have Melody Magic by our length and a half. King Aljun is on the outside. Hardway likewise trying to get closer. Being Square comes next. Then moving up now on the outside is Big Daddy's Dream. Without 400 meters of the race. Melody Magic, King Aljun, Big Daddy's Dream remains in third as they swing for home. The stablemate party route for the Melody Magic. King Aljun moves up on the outside. Down on the inside is Big Daddy's Dream with about 100 meters of the race. We have King Aljun followed by Big Daddy's Dream winning habit is on the outside, and finally it's King Aljun. Close between Big Daddy's Dream winning habit, Melody Magic, Hardway, then comes Chan Sam Dior, Leofardo.
Kakagulat si King Aljun.